So again, traders, buenas de nuevo, Jose. So as you guys noticed, we did take a 4-point hit, or I took a 4-point hit on pound dollar long from that level of in the 80s. Okay, and again, since we did not see 85, again, guys, to recap, that area of 80, if it did not hold pound dollar, then it should start making its way down to 50. This is what I kept looking at. So I'm trying to, again, traders, at any point in time, if you have any questions, please type it in or ask for the mic access and ask your question. So again, this is what I was looking at when it broke here, our channel, from that stress test on July 30th. You can see that as at that point in time, the forecast that I was sharing with you guys is that pound dollar will come and test 157.50. Okay. And then eventually it should make its way back down to 155.50, which is around this area here. And you can see here, pound dollar, again, this is the area where 155.51 to be exact. That was the very low of that morning. It was London session. Okay. And again, this was a stress test, the Euro stress test. Okay, here it is at 74, guys. Euro pound dollar. See this on the daily chart, guys? Any questions on this? Okay. Now, zooming into a 1-hour chart, you can see that this 50 area, 35 to 50 area, pound dollar, you see it already tagged that level. Our L1 line is to the downside. Again, this is a 1-hour chart, pound dollar. So you can see why at 80, somewhere around this area right there, 80 to 90, if it did not hold, then pound dollar should continue to come down to further levels. At the same time, look at your center bands, look at your bottom bands here and here. They're pretty much in the same direction. And as some of you traders who have taking part in our micro seminar and Bollinger Bands, you can see that this actually just indicates further downward movement. And as I'm looking at the Dow here at 47 now, and that's helping out our trade. And look at price action now, tag 72, pound dollar just tagged 72. That's giving me overall price action. There it goes at 70, 69. All right, guys, I'm taking profits here at 69, pound dollar. Derek, you walked in just at the right time, sir. Mr. Derek. Okay, guys, you saw pound dollar just tagged 68, taking profits. Okay, we'll just take some profits here, guys. Give me a moment. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, is actually move my stop loss now to just above or just behind my entry. I don't want to choke my trade out too quick. So again, as Mr. Geithner this morning was, or about an hour ago, was speaking, and we had building permit numbers come out, and the PPI monthly numbers come out. Remember, guys, one thing I also want to speak to you about is also, remember last week what the Governor Kings said about the overall economy in England. Remember that, Derek? We were talking about this. Trade floor knows this as well. So right now it's we have the U.S. and the pound, or the U.S. dollar and the pound, kind of like in the I mean, I don't want to sound negative on either currencies, but right now it's a race to see who's worse. So you can see now with that news release, going back to my daily chart, you can see how when pound dollar was already in a downward movement, with that news release, that day, which is around that week, last week, 11th, 12th, 13th, around those days of August, look what pound dollar moved from 158.60 down to 155.70, and then now it's been ranging, and there we go with the again the head and shoulders formation. So guys, take your profits here at 69 pound dollar. I entered it around 77. Traders were scalpers first, so we're up 8, 9 points, 7 points even. Take your profits. Tighten your stops, or if you feel like you need to move your stop loss to break even though at least I consider that a little bit too much of a choking your trade out, that's okay. Remember guys, the faster you get to a stress-free point, the more rock solid trader you will be. So here again, pound dollar is giving us another opportunity at 69 for the third time. Take your profits, guys. Any questions? ¿Unas preguntas en estas operaciones? So you see guys, being patient and being disciplined. So again, the patience paid off when we waited for 80 to make our move. Our first move was to buy pound dollar. That we held it again, traders, that's something that had to happen quickly, because I remember I said 80 doesn't hold, it will shoot for 55. So 80 did not hold, took a 4-point hit on that. And as I mentioned, quickly reverse that position short. We can practice that type of strategy, guys, for you traders that are not used to that quick movement. So some of you traders follow me on this pattern. I quickly re-entered pound dollar short at 77. Just took profits here at 69. Again, traders, what you're looking at here is my daily chart. You can see our head and shoulders movement. L79 was pretty much forecasting that pound dollar would come and retest mid 155.50 to 160. Sorry, 156 even, that area here. In our 1 hour chart, see that here? Our L1 line, or center band, coming down with our bottom band here. These are the levels I'm looking at. Right, this here, this double bottom here, this spike here. So, and in doing this trade, guys, here at 61, guys, take some more profits. Sorry, I keep interrupting, but taking profits, guys, take your profits here on pound dollar. Okay, guys, taking profits. You should be up somewhere around 15 points now. We have some more room to go. Dow is at 40 still. This pound dollar should come and test, I believe, even 35 now. I want to say thank you, traders, for visiting in again in this morning's session at Good Morning Forex. Right now, I just am taking a break from guiding some of our traders through a very, I'm not going to say difficult trade, but a new type of trade that I'm showing them. And very good interaction here with the traders in the office here and online. Again, this is Junior Trader with Good Morning Forex, taking profits off the pound dollar here. And thank you for coming by.